Hey everyone, it's Kristen, and today we're going to be doing this orange, red, and gold makeup look. And to start this look, we're going to be using the Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and we're going to start with the yellow shade. Next, using the same palette, we're going to be using the orange shade, and we're going to keep this deeper in the crease and creating a winged look by winging up the edges. Next, from the same palette, we're going to be using the pink shade, and we're going to use this to deepen the corners and crease area. Off camera, I used a little bit of the Milani Concealer to cut the creases. And here I'm using the orange and red shades to create a eyeliner type shape on the lid. Here I'll be using the Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette for the dark red shade to deepen the red color of the wing. Next, I'll be using the Juvia's Place Nomad palette for the kind of silvery gold middle shade. And I'll be using this on the cut crease and inner corner eye area. I will also be extending the red shade to the bottom lashes as well, using a little bit of gold to highlight underneath the eyebrows. For the eyelashes, I'll be using the Neutrogena Healthy Lengths Mascara, and I'll be topping this with false lashes later on. To contour, I'm using a light brown contour powder to contour my nose, cheekbones, and forehead areas. For the blush, I'm using the Signma Cosmetics Aura Blush in the shade Nymphea. For highlight, I'm using the LA Colors Illuminating Skin Enhancer in the shade Moonbeam. For the lips, I'm using a NYX Liquid Lipstick in a scarlet shade. And this completes this really bright and bold red, gold, and orange makeup look. Let me know what you guys thought of this look in the comments down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you again soon.